This is a TechnoPower Engines 9C 1/5 scale radial engine. It is a 4-stroke poppet valve, normally aspirated engine. This engine runs on a mixture of methanol, nitromethane, and oil. It uses glow plug ignition. The prop we have mounted is a much modified Zinger 18.8. We keep the glow plugs hot all the time with the Sonictronics glow driver. It is not necessary to have them on all the time, but this way I'm reasonably sure that any problems are not due to cold plugs. With the heat on, let's see if this puppy starts. Good run.